4 sizes, 1 mindset. Keep it simple, keep it fun. From 20 to 24 feet, the 2026 NXT family delivers a refined design and smart upgrades, all built to bring you MasterCraft quality and best-in-class wave performance in a lineup that's easier to own and effortless to enjoy. This is the NXT family. The NXT family has quietly built a name for itself. People come for the value, they stay because it works. You get real performance, dialed-in comfort, and the confidence of a MasterCraft badge. No overthinking, no overcomplicating. Just everything you need done right. And in 2026, the entire lineup got sharper, smarter, and better equipped to handle whatever kind of summer you've got in mind. Let's start at the back, where a transom walkover comes standard on every NXT model, so getting in and out is effortless. The updated design means no more unwanted footprints on your upholstery. Plus, it looks great too. Underneath, compartments on either side that can be outfitted with optional storage nets, perfect for stashing ropes or vests. And for even easier water access, you can add the optional flip-down swim step. It's a simple upgrade that makes getting in and out of the water quicker, smoother, and more intuitive. Pop up in the engine hatch and you'll find the Ilmor 5.3-liter GDI high-output engine, standard on every 2026 NXT. 380 horsepower, 407 pound-feet of torque. More fuel efficient, more responsive, and frankly, more fun than anything else in its class. It's also got a fresh air intake that keeps things cool and clean, even when the temps are pushing triple digits. And it's backed by a 7-year, 1,000-hour warranty. You won't need it, but it's nice to know it's there. Powering every NXT is SurfStar, our fully integrated surf system that makes wave setup as easy as pressing a button. Choose from 3 rapid surf presets and go. Want to tweak it? Jump into custom surf and shape it exactly how you like. Either way, it delivers waves with length, shape, and push that punch well above their weight, and into the territory of boats with much bigger price tags. Whether you're teaching beginners or chasing gold, SurfStar delivers. And with standard NXT faster fill ballast, you're surf ready in under 9 minutes. You'll also get standard underwater exhaust across all NXT models, so things stay quieter, cleaner, and a little more dialed in at the back of the boat. That means less noise, less fumes, and a better experience for everyone on board. Step inside the cockpit and you'll feel it. The NXT family is looking sharper than ever. The 2026 lineup introduces fresh design details, pleated upholstery zones, cleaner lines, better textures, all wrapped in the same rugged, ready-for-anything attitude that built this family's reputation. It's elevated, not overdone. Cool Feel vinyl is available across the NXT family, keeping even dark seats up to 30% cooler in the sun. And with expanded color options for both vinyl and gel coat, it's easier than ever to build something that looks and feels like yours. The layout is spacious, intuitive, and designed for real-life use. Every NXT features wraparound seating with plenty of room for your crew to spread out, plus hinged underseat storage throughout, and an optional convertible flip seat for when you want to face the action. In the cockpit, you'll find 4 phone holders, each ready for a wireless charging upgrade. And at the helm, a wireless phone charger comes standard. Speaking of the helm, it's cleaner, smarter, and more capable than ever. Every 2026 NXT comes standard with a 7-inch touchscreen featuring SurfStar controls and an intuitive interface that makes dialing in the perfect wave effortless, even for first-timers. Factory foil profiles are also built in, and a dedicated volume knob means you can make quick audio adjustments without hunting through venues. Keyless ignition is now standard, simplifying your startup while adding peace of mind. And when the boat's at rest, new sleep and away modes bring added intelligence and convenience. Sleep mode kicks in when you're hanging out in the cove, reducing power consumption and helping preserve your battery. Away mode is perfect when you're walking away from the boat for a bit. It keeps lights and accessories on initially, then powers everything down automatically, including the battery switch, after a user-selected time. It's one less thing to worry about, and one more way your NXT has your back. And because long days at the helm should feel as good as they look, Every NXT features an ergonomic captain's chair designed for all-day comfort and total control. Lighting gets a full upgrade this year, too. RGB lighting is now standard across the lineup, with 11 lighting zones throughout the boat, from cup holders and floor lights to bow and helm accents. New modern courtesy lights make the whole interior more usable in low light, while giving the cabin a more refined feel overall. All controlled from a simplified hub at the helm, it sets the tone without being a distraction. Audio also took a big step forward for 2026. Every NXT now comes with MasterCraft Soundstage, an all-new onboard audio experience designed for the unique acoustics of a towboat and engineered to deliver directional, balanced sound. Add tower speakers or a second sub if you want more output, but even in its standard form, it holds its own, delivering impressive depth, clarity, and multi-zone customizability. You'll not only hear the difference, you'll feel it too. Every NXT comes standard with a Z6 tower. Rigid, clean, and outfitted with clamping board racks that swing in for easy access. Combined with bimini storage, there's room for up to 10 boards, all stowed cleanly and out of the way. For 2026, choose your Z6 finish: white, flint gray, or black, each designed to complement your build. Up front, every NXT bow is built to be as functional as it is inviting. There's storage under every cushion, dedicated anchor space, and a layout that lets you choose your vibe. Keep the walkthrough open or drop in the filler cushion for a full playpen setup. Underneath the waterline, the NXT hull delivers exactly what you expect from a MasterCraft. Predictable handling, a dry ride, and rock-solid stability, whether you're fully loaded or just cruising solo. These hulls are designed in-house by our naval architects and go through the same rigorous R&D process as every boat we build. The result is a better on-water experience, every single time. Every 2026 NXT comes standard with onboard telematics, giving you access to key systems and performance data via the MasterCraft Connect app. Check on your battery, review your hours, monitor your boat's vitals remotely. Your dealer can even run diagnostics without having the boat in front of them. Less guesswork, more go. And when it's time to hit the road, a custom-matched trailer gets you there in style. Choose your colors, wheels, and graphics, and add upgrades like electronic brakes. It's built to perform and built to last, just like your boat. That's the NXT family. World-class performance, smarter design, more thoughtful features, and real value, all backed by the MasterCraft name. It's everything you need to make your summer effortless. Ready to experience it for yourself? Find your dealer, book a demo, and start building better weekends. Head to mastercraft.com to get started.